birthday, Lolo. Happy 23rd birthday. I wish you many, many more blessed years to come. I wish you nothing but blessings, growth, success, and everything that you wish in life, because you deserve it. You're an amazing young lady, and keep growing and keep getting better in life. Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lorraine. Tafato wants to say something.
I wanted to say that I wanted to go to space.
Okay, Chance wants to say something.
Happy birthday, Lorraine. Love you so much. Wish you many more years to come.
Happy birthday, little sis. My face is too glassy and all that stuff, but we wish you many more years to come. We love
Stop
you.
getting me dirty!
Tafato doesn't like kisses anymore. You see how grown up he is becoming, but we wish you many more years and we love you. Bye!
You're just making me fun of me.
I'm not.
Get yourself together.
Get me dirty now.
Can you kiss Lorraine and say bye, Lorraine?
Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday. Wish you many more years to come. Hope you enjoy your birthday. Wish we could be there, but we can't because of this virus. We love you. We miss you. Wish you could be here to celebrate.
And look at this picture she just had to show you. I think you're about 9 months old, 8 months old. Bye, love you. Hello, Lorraine, happy birthday. We just want to let you know that we love you, we miss you. We really wish we could see you sooner, but I guess because of this because of this corona, we can't be there with you. We couldn't be there with you because happy belated.
Oh, God.
It's literally 6 a.m. in China, and I have to send some birthday love out here. Hey, first of all, happy birthday, Lorraine. I'm just really grateful for having you in my life, for over 5 years. That means a lot to me, hey. You're not just the kindest person. I mean, you're not bad to say the least. And you're always there when I need support, when I need someone to talk to. I appreciate that the most. We have the deepest conversations ever, like literally, and that's always something I'm so grateful for. It really wouldn't be the same without you. I mean, I could go on and on about our stories and shenanigans, late night calls, late night Skype calls and stuff, but so many great things that we shared together. And today I just wanna thank you for being that great person in my life and for caring for me, as I know you care for other people too. I love you so much, and I want to wish you many more years to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Lorraine. Just to say happy birthday to you. I hope you had a good time on your birthday. Excuse my attire. I was in the garden. I was dragged to come and say something. But anyway, I just want to wish you many more years to come, 23. Wow. Yeah. May the Lord, continue to bless you with many more years filled with joy and happiness.
And good health.
And well, you know what I wanted to say. Anyway, happy birthday.
Bye. Love you.
I wanted to say happy
Happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed the surprise. I wish I could have made it out there to Chicago, but I'll definitely be coming there before the year ends, I hope. Happy birthday to you. It's been so nice getting to know you. You're such a sweet person, and I'm looking forward to more moments that we can spend together. Happy birthday, and may God continue to bless you. Bye-bye.
Oh, this is my birthday message to you, Lorraine. I just want to say I appreciate you the most, and you're someone that I'm really grateful to have in my life. You're someone who's supportive, someone who's caring. I thank you because you're someone that I can share certain things with, and you're an amazing person. And as for that, I really wish you many more years to come, and remember that amazing person that you are, someone who is honest, someone who is real. I like that, and wish you many more years.
Hi Lolo, I wanted to wish you an amazing birthday. I'm so sorry that I can't be there this year, but hopefully as part of your birthday turn up, it's an excuse to come to Arizona. So happy birthday to ya, happy birthday to ya, happy birthday, love ya. Mwah. La la, happy birthday. Just wanted to say happy birthday, girl. We are just celebrating you today. It's about you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being a little sis. I love you, Lolo. May God continue to bless you, open a lot of beautiful doors for you, and guide you in your life so that you can attain everything that your heart says to do. And remember that you can do anything through Christ who gives you strength. I love you, and I hope you enjoyed your day. Have a good one. Happy birthday.
Hi Lolo. I just wanted to take this time to wish you a happy birthday. You are such a wonderful person, and you occupy a very special place in our hearts. I wish you all the happiness, all the joy, and all the peace in this world, and all the love, by the way. Growing up comes with a lot of responsibilities. So I pray that all the desires of your heart and all your dreams will come true through the guidance of God. I think I've shared this with you in the past. But ukawerenga in the book of Proverbs 3, verse 4 and 5, trust in the Lord with all thine heart. Lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he will direct thy path. So in everything that you do, Lolo, I pray that you put God first. And one thing that I know for sure is God will not fail you. So a happy birthday. We are here to celebrate with you, to add more sugar. I hope you have that nice ice cream and that chocolate cake. That chocolate cake is a killer. And this is the last weekend that we are going to indulge. After this weekend, don't break that sabbatical. Love you, Lolo. Enjoy.